Hello, Ebonyi People TV family. If you've been following the transformation agenda of Governor Francis Nwifuru, then you already know this administration is not here to play at all. Today, we've got two major updates that are turning heads, and this particular update that I'm about to share is shutting down the critics. If I were you, I would go nowhere and stick to this channel. So, just this evening, the governor joined the committee in charge of reviving the Nwifuru water scheme for a field inspection. As you can see in the video, they went around the water scheme to inspect how far they've gone with this particular project. This mega water project located in Ikwo local government area of Ebonyi State has officially been revived, and the focus now is to figure out the best way to channel water from the Nwifuru facility all the way to the state reservoir in Umuara. The governor did not just send representatives, he was there himself, walking through the proposed drainage areas, inspecting the routes the pipes will follow, and giving clear directives on the next steps. And the result, the work is set to begin immediately. No delays, no excuses. This is not just leadership from a distance, this is leadership that gets involved.
I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy.
And now to the main gist proper. Let's talk about a project that's been in the shadows for almost 20 years. The famous 10-story building at Presco Junction at Abakaliki. If you're very familiar with this project, this particular building, you know that it has been here for the longest of time. For years, many people doubted if that building would ever be useful. Some even feared it might be too weak to complete. But once again, Governor Nwifuru has proven the doubters wrong. Here's what you need to know about this particular building. The building was originally started by former Governor Dr. Sam Ego between 1999 and 2007. Another very thing you need to know is that to determine whether the building was still safe, Governor Francis Nwifuru ordered a structural integrity test. The report was presented during the State Executive Council meeting on May 16, 2025 by the Commissioner for Infrastructural Development for Concession in the person of Engineer Obasi Abara. And the good news is the building passed the test. Oh yes, it's structurally sound and ready for development. The governor immediately gave the order to begin reconstruction and complete the building, which will now serve as the new Ebonyi Trade Center. Finally, a project that was forgotten for nearly 2 decades will now become a key driver of economic activity in Ebonyi State. To make sure this project is well managed and completed to standard, the governor has put together a solid committee of professionals and commissioners, including Commissioner for IDC in the person of Engineer Obasi Abara. Then there is the Commissioner for Housing, the Commissioner for Lands and Survey, the Commissioner for Environment, and a host of many other capable hands. So, what do you think? Has Governor Francis Nwifuru proved the critics wrong? Are you excited about this particular project? Or do you really believe this trade center at Presco Junction will become a game changer for Ebonyi's economy? We want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below, tell us what you think, and let's keep the conversation